What if I told you you could explore Europe's most captivating cities without emptying your bank account? Forget what you've heard about Europe being expensive. Today we are unlocking 10 incredible destinations where your money goes further than you ever imagined. Hey Travelistas, it's Nia and welcome to Global Travelista, your guide to unforgettable adventures around the world. Today we are diving into something special, Europe's 10 cheapest cities to visit right now. If you're ready for more travel inspiration, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. Let's jump in. Alright, we are counting them down from 10 to 1, saving the absolute cheapest one for the last. For each city, I'll give you an estimated daily budget. This is for what I call a savvy budget traveler. We're talking staying in a great hostel or budget guest house, eating a mix of delicious street food and one casual restaurant meal, using public transport, and visiting one paid attraction per day. It's all about maximum experience for minimum cost. 10. Budapest, Hungary. The pearl of the Danube, Budapest. This city is grand, historic, and still one of Europe's best bargains, though its immense popularity makes it the most expensive on our list. Budapest offers a 5-star look on a 1-star budget. You can soak in world-famous thermal baths for a fraction of a spa day elsewhere. Feast on hearty goulash or a chimney cake for pocket change. As a savvy budget traveler, you can expect a daily spend here of around 45 to 55 euros. A fantastic starting point for a list. Nine, Zagreb, Croatia. While the coast gets all the attention, Croatia's capital Zagreb is a vibrant and seriously underrated gem. Zagreb gives you a rich Central European vibe for a fraction of the price of its neighbors. Your money goes far here because daily costs are low. Think delicious meals at the Dolak market for just a few euros, a world-class craft beer scene that won't drain your wallet, and a daily full of quirky museum with affordable entry fees. You can easily enjoy a full day here for about 40 to 50 euros. Eight, Riga, Latvia. Heading north to the Baltics, we have Riga, Latvia. If you love a stunning architecture, this is your city. Riga is the most cosmopolitan of the Baltic capitals, but its prices have stayed remarkably low. It's considered cheap because you can wander through the largest collection of Art Nouveau architecture in the world for free, explore the massive central market, one of Europe's best, and eat a hearty traditional meal for under 10 euros. Your daily budget here, a very manageable 40 to 48 euros, proving that grand architecture doesn't need a grand budget. Number 7. Krakow, Poland. At number 7, a true budget travel legend, Krakow, Poland. This city is a fairy tale brought to life. Despite its popularity, Krakow remains incredibly affordable. The reason it's so cheap is the low cost of food and drink. You can feast on plates of delicious pierogi for a few dollars and grab a local beer for less than a coffee in other cities. It's a city that packs a huge historical punch for a very small price. And that price, you can have an amazing day in Krakow for just 35 to 45 euros. Six, Brno, Czech Republic. Forget Prague for a moment and meet its cooler, cheaper, younger sibling, Brno. Brno is a major university city, and that means one thing: prices are kept low for a student population. This is why it's so affordable. The beer is cheaper and many say better than in Prague. The food scene is innovative and budget-friendly, and the atmosphere is more authentic and less crowded. That student-friendly vibe brings the daily cost down to around 35 to 45 euros. Five, Vilnius, Lithuania. Just next door is our number 5, the quirky and artistic capital of Lithuania, Vilnius. Vilnius is the cheapest of the three Baltic capitals, and the value here is insane. You can eat your fill of 7 a night these amazing potato dumplings for next to nothing. The city is compact and walkable, so you'll save on transport, and it has its own independent artist republic, Ujupis, which is a unique and totally free place to explore. It's a fairy tale city on a backpacker's budget with a daily spend of just 30 to 40 euros. For Istanbul, Turkey. Where east meets west, our number 4 is the magical city of Istanbul. This is a mega city that offers mega value. Istanbul is a bargain because the cost of living is simply lower. You can cross continents on a public ferry for less than $1, drink endless cups of Turkish tea, and eat like royalty from street vendors. That mega value means a daily budget of around 30 to 40 euros is completely realistic for a fantastic day of exploring. Three, Belgrade, Serbia. Entering our top 3 is the energetic heart of the Balkans, Belgrade, Serbia. This city is raw, resilient, and ridiculously fun. Belgrade is famous for its low prices, especially when it comes to socializing. It's considered one of the best nightlife cities in Europe, yet a night out won't cost you much at all. Food is hearty and cheap, think grilled meats and savory pastries. That famous affordability means a daily budget of about 28 to 38 euros, leaving you plenty for both sightseeing and socializing. Two, Sofia, Bulgaria. Our runner-up for the cheapest city is Sofia, Bulgaria. This is one of Europe's most ancient cities and one of its most affordable. Sofia is a capital city that still feels like an undiscovered secret. The reason it's so cheap is that it's not yet on the mainstream tourist trail. A filling meal will barely make a dent in your wallet, and the metro costs less than €1 per ride. Being off the beaten path keeps prices incredibly low. You can comfortably explore Sofia on a daily budget of just 25 to 35 euros. One, Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina. And the number 1 cheapest, most affordable city in Europe to visit right now is Sarajevo. This city has a soul that is absolutely priceless, but the visit here is incredibly light on the wallet. Sarajevo is the cheapest because everything from accommodation to transport to food is a fraction of the cost elsewhere. You can eat a massive plate of the famous sababi for just 3-4 euros and drink traditional Bosnian coffee for €1. More than that, the city's poignant history offers an experience that is profoundly rich in everything but price. And what is that price? Sarajevo is in a league of its own. You can have a full unforgettable day here for 25 to 35 euros, and often even less. It is without a doubt the best value in all of Europe. Thanks for exploring with me, Travelistas. You've been watching Global Travelista, your guide to unforgettable adventures around the world. Which city was your favorite? Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss what's next. Ready to keep traveling? Watch this next video. I know you'll love it. See you on the next adventure. Bye!